Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Oracle of Delphi, Prophecies from the Eternal Priestess, Know Thyself. This is by Suzy Cherub and artwork by Briarly Collyns. Published by Blue Angel, retailing for $28.95 in the US, and everywhere that you can legitimately purchase this will be linked down in the description box below. All right, let's get into it. 44 cards and a 176-page full-color guidebook. Love to see that. Know thyself and see all. Here on the threshold of wisdom, you can commune with ancient seers, reclaim miracles, and free the future. Here, your questions invite guidance, magic, and activations. Here, you can experience a remembering that brings you home to the temple within. This exquisite oracle set is a portal to clarity and understanding. Shuffle the deck to invoke the eternal priestess, choose your cards, and welcome wonder, healing visions, and sacred empowerment. May the mysteries of this oracle open your intuitive senses, self-awareness, and inner mystic. By Suzy Cherub. All right. So before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook here. We have a nice table of contents, and then we have each card with their own page number so you can go directly to it. Love that. Okay. Acknowledgements, call of the oracle. Through these cards and messages within, the Oracle of Delphi leads the way for you to embody your mystical powers. She holds space for you to unite with her immense insight, knowledge, and intoxicating sacredness. May her priestess mysteries and devotional love crack your heart open to reveal your unique gifts. Awesome. Okay, welcome to the Oracle of Delphi. Step into the Temple of the Sun and immerse yourself in the wisdom and light of the Oracle of Delphi. The High Priestess of Apollo and Hellenic gods and goddesses holds space for you to unearth your intuitive awareness, sovereignty, and creative light. Each card is encrypted with sacred symbology, alchemical medicine, and relevant insight for modern times. The Oracle of Delphi invites you to step up, show up, and shine. Call forth your desires and intentions. This card set is a master manifestation tool that supports you in aligning with your dreams and ascending to astonishing heights. The seated messages within these cards will unlock temple doorways, unleash your magical allure, and magnetize your desires. There is both light and shadow within these cards. The sunlight of Apollo and the darkness of Hades have insight and wisdom to share. Spiritual balance ebbs and flows with the shadow of the ego and the light of the soul. Do not fear the shadow. The seasons of life dance in divine harmony, which means the light of the summer and darkness of the winter. There are many lessons and blessings to be found in the shadow. The Oracle of Delphi was created as an intuitive tool for spiritual guidance, awareness, and empowerment. However, it is not a replacement for professional advice. Ask for help. When necessary, reach out to a qualified medical specialist or credible helpline for assistance. Okay, so information of the Temple of the Sun. We have information of the Oracle of Delphi, how to light work with your oracle. Each card is like a portal. Okay. Each card includes keywords, the oracle prophecy, chakra, talisman, faith and action step, and artist insights. Love that. Okay, some more helpful information. And then we have the layout. So ask the oracle, Temple of the Sun insights, alchemist, card spread. Then we have Hecate's Crossroads card spread. Oh my goodness. Try saying all that 5 times fast. Magic Maker card spread. Oh, Archer card spread. Pandora's Box Insights. Wow. Mystic card spread. I was not expecting so many spreads. Okay. And then we go into the card meanings. Alrighty. Let's get into it. I'm excited. This has been on my to get list for a while. Ooh, nice cardstock. This is the Blue Angel cardstock. It's a little bit thicker and it's a matte. It is nice and flexible, but it does do a really good snapback. All right. There's the card backing. And let's get into it. I'm going to read down here because sometimes it's hard to show up on the video. It's hard to read. So we have Priestess with begin, perceive, predict, and prophesize. Alchemist, change, refract, infuse, transmute. Archer, focus, align, pivot, surrender. Dancer, shift, dance, enrapture, embody. Oracle, lead, ask, listen, trust. Medium, culminate, consult, connect, convey. Poet, inscribe, envision, write, recite. Oh, there's a little guy up there. Musician, shine, play, invoke, express. Artist, dream, design, craft, create. Guardian, preserve, protect, defend, shelter. Spirit, renew, detox, purify, cleanse. It's a swan. Temple, sanctify, devote, commune, reflect. Lovers, unite, desire, cherish, caress. I like the addition of the statue imagery. That's really fun. Sorceress, summon, conjure, weave, enchant. I like the spider web here too for that. Advocate, reconcile, uphold, adjudicate, balance. Oh, nurturer, seed, conceive, nourish, birth. Awakener, fortify, soar, emerge, strengthen. Sovereign, reclaim, preserve, govern, remember. Love the peacock. Got some Hera vibes there. Lionheart, prevail, endure, dare, confront. Caretaker, end, reunite, serve, accompany. Messenger, proclaim, guide, announce, and console. Devotee, dedicate, inspire, acquire, emerge. Circle, collaborate, assemble, hold, initiate. If you can't tell, people are walking up the steps of this mountain thing here. Mystic, know, seek, contemplate, philosophize. Philosophize. Goodness. Seer, see, enlighten, visualize, interpret. Empath, feel, relate, understand, console. Okay. Thought I missed a card. Enchanter, magnetize, open, reveal, manifest. Sage, advise, acquire, invest, accumulate. Healer, cleanse, grieve, grow, heal. Love the prism rainbows there. Wayshower, usher, decide, discern, defend. Teacher, learn, upskill, educate, prepare. Love maker, love, give, receive, be. Magic maker, captivate, touch, tantalize, sense. Divine, calibrate, connect, stabilize, personify. Odyssey, quest, offer, treasure, celebrate. There's lots of stuff that you can pick up on these cards. Luminary, activate, brighten, impact, determine. Dreamweaver, emergence, wish, visualize, conceive. Theater, participate, challenge, co-create, contend. Sanctuary, relax, soothe, revive, return. Illusionist, divert, spellbind, revamp, unveil. Faith, hope, anticipate, aspire, foresee. Seeker, expose, heed, appraise, face. Oh, gotta zoom into the cat there. Shapeshifter, that's cool. Ruffle, cease, bewilder, shake. And the last card here is Strategist, counsel, project, lobby, advise. All right, very cool. I want to see how it shuffles now. Nice. As expected. All right, let's do overhand here. Oh yeah. All right, let's get a card to read, please. Okay, we're going to read for Magic Maker. Captivate, touch, tantalize, sense. Okay, so we have a image of the card up top, the same keywords, and it says harness your mesmerizing powers. Believe in your own immutable magic. You are pure vibrational magic in motion. Enchanted treasures are right around the corner. You dare to dream and craft magic in full faith. You are your best asset. So bring alive your exceptional gifts and strengths with wild, unrestrained self-assurance and belief. Your alluring quintessence creates miracles. Your magnetism is unleashed by your passion. This is how you attract electrifying opportunities to create your soul's desires. Becoming abundant in your energetic frequency happens long before attaining prosperity in your bank account. Change your quantum field with a strong belief in yourself and unfathomable desire. Awaken all your senses to summon your wishes into the sacred now. Make your vision bigger than your doubt of fear. Focus on what you love. Invest in yourself. Fully show up. Jump all in and manifest magic. Goddess Circe is the most powerful and strikingly exquisite witch of Greek mythology. As a lover of natural magic, she can captivate the power of nature, brew herbal potions, and transform energies with her magical touch. You share Circe's supernatural strengths and healing abilities. Consequently, she guides you to craft your own special magic. It's time to heal your inherited witch wounds. It's perfectly safe to reveal your magical powers in this lifetime. You are a sparkly light in the world with extraordinary gifts. Trust in your innate magic and connection to Source. Back yourself. Gracefully release any uncertainty and leap into the direction of your destiny. Worrying about how it will all play out only delays the manifestation process. Move past overthinking and procrastination. You can overcome any obstacle one step at a time. You got this. Stay in your own lane, focus on your own mystical pathway, and do not get distracted with poisonous gossip, comparison, and competition. Do not be tempted to seek outside approval. It is not necessary to tell anyone what you're doing until it's done. External influences may dilute your intention and throw you off track. Trust is the foundation of all phenomenal and close-knit covens and communities. Shield yourself from negative naysayers and surround yourself with genuine and supportive networks instead. Keep your inner circle small, yet robust and sincere. Come together and celebrate your wins. The Oracle's Prophecy. Magic encircles your field. Calculated risks pay off. Chakra, crown, high magic. Talisman. A blue circle means an evolved perspective. Wearing or summoning a blue circle strengthens spirit communication and psychic protection. Faith in action step. Bring alive your natural magnetism with confidence, pride, and charisma. Dress up to express your authenticity and unique allure. Alignment activation. Conjure elemental magic by summoning the essence of earth, fire, air, water, and spirit. Declare, my tender touch transforms, manifests, and heals. Blessed be Circe. Artist insights. You are magic. Tap into your infinite potential and put on your crown. Okay, that was a lot for one card, and I really like that. I like that it also brings it back to mythology or the gods and goddesses. And I also love that it gives you, a full breakdown like this, as especially the action step. I really like that because, if you are trying to do any form of, working or manifestation action, can be really important. So I like that. I love the art style. I love that there's a mixture of different bodies, different ages, different skin colors. I love the addition of the statues. I just think that this is really well done. I am excited to get to work with it a little bit more and see what else I can pick up on this. But I feel like if you are already working or wanting to work with Greek or Roman mythology, this might be for you. If you really like the style of this deck, this is for you. If you want, a full-on vibe of the Oracle of Delphi, this is for you. I do like the quality. I cannot complain. I think it's really cool that this was a concept. I just really think it's a cool idea that came together really well. So if this is something that you are interested in, of course, I'm linking everything down in the description box. Now, I would love to know what you think about this. Is this something you're excited about? Is this something that you didn't see before? Is this a pass from you? What are all of your thoughts? I would love to know down in the comment section below. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop an evil eye to let me know you have. Thank you so much to all of you for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you, and I so appreciate you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.